a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of a PreMax 2.0. Oh, this is a PreMax 2.0 wig. So this must be like a new unit. Anyway, she goes by the name of a Nature Max, a Yaki straight ear-to-ear glueless wig. This is how she's looking straight out of the box, looking very pretty and feeling very full. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but she's definitely giving that Yaki texture. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center of the unit. In the back, instead of having adjustable straps, it has not 1 but 2 silicone bands. That way it like helps stick to the nape of the neck a little bit more. And then it also has a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. When it comes to the lace on this unit, instead of getting a 13x4 or 13x6, you're actually going to get a 13x5, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. I feel like I don't really hear 13x5s very often. I typically hear, you know, the 13x4s or the 13x6s. So I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's just an inch more or less depending on what you typically wear. But I will say is that it's a full 13x5 instead of a compact one. You know, the compact ones, or at least this is what I consider to be compact 13x4s or 13x6s, is when it's like the middle part, you get all the spacing, or the spacing, parting space, spacing, y'all know what I mean. But then on the sides, it's like this much. So I would definitely say that this is a full one. Just like all of their PreMax units, this unit is obviously coming with pre-bleach knots, but it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and also pre-cut lace. Now personally, I like to go in and cut my own lace, and if you are someone who's also like that, they do offer a version like that. Now they do offer this unit in 14 inches all the way down to 26 inches, and if I'm thinking correctly, I want to say I received the 20 inch, but just in case I'm not telling y'all the truth, it's not intentional. Just make sure to like check down in the description box below. It'll have all of the information for this unit, like a direct link to the unit, the proper length, just in case I'm telling y'all a lie. Like I said, not intentional. And then also a discount code, and the discount code is going to be Tan Dotson, and that's going to save you 28% off of the entire website. But okay, let me stop jacking my jaws, girl, and let's go ahead and install this unit.
How you feeling? Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know I still do for you. Cause like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues on the riddle. Oh, wow, that's just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, give me bitch. Tell me love her to the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Valley girl, she West Coast. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt, valley girl, she West Coast. You see, it's obvious, it's obvious.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Actually, before we get into my pros and cons about this unit, well, number 1, if you hear some tunes playing in the background, well, hopefully it's the tunes that I put on the video, but if not, it's because in my neighborhood, they're doing like construction and they're building new houses and whatnot. And the construction workers have their tunes blasting. So yeah, but then number 2, if you hear like little squeals here and there, my kiddos are home. It's summertime and like I don't know what to tell you. They're kids. Now with those 2 little disclaimers out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into my cons for this unit. And the first one is going to be the sizing of the cap. Now the sizing of this cap isn't terrible, but I did have to go in on the sides on each side where the lace meets the cap and like cut, I want to say about 2 inches up, just to ensure that it would go over my sideburns on each side. Now with cutting the lace on each side in order to get the unit to fit my head, I think that's why I personally like to go in and cut my lace myself, because you know, typically whenever you get a unit, they give you a ton of extra lace in the front. And so I don't know, I feel like I can usually like finesse it some shape, way, or form. I don't know. But whenever you have pre-cut lace, it's like you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Again, I was able to make it fit, so that's all that really matters to me personally. But I do have to keep in mind of when the next time I go in and go in to install this unit. I had like a brain freeze fart moment. Yeah, the next time I go in to install this unit, I'm gonna have to be mindful of those tears, cut, rips, whatever you want to call it, on each side, and make sure it doesn't like rip up the lace even more. Like when I say up, I'm literally meaning like further up the lace. Yeah. By the way I was speaking, you would have thought that I would have had like more cons with this unit, but yeah, no, that was like my one and only. So let's go ahead and jump into the pros. My first pro for this unit is going to be the lace. Like, y'all, I love me some LuvMe hair lace. Look at it. Like, it is blended in so well, in my personal opinion. Typically, I like to go in with either some lace tint spray or either some foundation, something underneath the lace on the underneath of the cap. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I have not been doing that lately with my LuvMe hair units, and they have been looking and blending so well. Like right here, you cannot tell me that that doesn't look like actual scalp. On top of that, whenever I was fitting the unit to my head, like on this side, I was noticing like whenever I had the lace or the wig laid down on my skin, it was like, okay, that's giving like really natural hairline. And then I would lift it up and then I could see my actual hairline. I was like, okay, LuvMe hair, like, y'all are killing it. Continuing with the topic of the lace, the 13x5, or should I say the full 13x5, is a really nice touch, seeing as how you can create like a deep side part on either side. You can have a middle part, you can do twists, you can do braids. Like, this unit can create very versatile styles. Now, personally, I'll be sticking with the basic side part that came with the wig because I have always loved me a good side part since like the beginning of time. And then number two, like, it looks good. I don't know. I feel like there are the girls who just like, on TikTok especially, they just install the wig. They don't tell you nothing about the wig. They don't show you no styles, no nothing. Then there are the girls who, like myself, will do like the review. We don't do any type of styling or anything like that. But then there are the girls who like style it down. And I feel like this unit in their hands would be chef's kiss. My next pro for this unit is going to be the texture of her. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love me a good unit that mimics my natural 4B, 4C hair texture. Like, don't get me wrong, the silky straight units, they're cute and all, and even the silky curly units, like, they're cute and whatnot. The body wave, that's what I'm trying to think of, or that's what I'm trying to say. Think of and say, child. Those units are cute, but whenever it is a silky unit, especially a closure silky unit, my 4B, 4C edges are going to tell on me every single time. A few more pros for this unit is going to be, number one, the density of her. I spoke about it earlier, how it felt like very full. Now, I'm not saying she's so thick to where she'd be like uncomfortable, especially with this heat that we have going on. No, she's like a full healthy head of hair. Like, I would definitely wear this unit year round. Also, so far, I'm not getting any tangling or shedding, which is also always a good thing. Currently, I'm trying to decide if I want to cut this unit. Like, I don't know. I just feel like it'd be really cute right there. I just feel like it would look like really natural looking. I don't know, but at the same time, I like her long too. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a few months out of her like in the long state and then I'll cut her to the short state. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. She is a winner chicken dinner in my eyes. Very cute if I do say so myself. If you plan on picking up this unit, again, don't forget to use my code Dotson. It'll save you 28% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.